I bet you didn't know which supplements are truly effective for weight loss. Today, we're diving into the best supplements for weight loss that are backed by science. While no supplement can replace a healthy diet and regular exercise, certain supplements have shown promising results in clinical studies. We're going to break down the science behind each supplement and discuss how they might fit into your weight loss journey. Stay with us till the end to find out which one tops the list. Let's get started. First up, we have green tea extract, a popular supplement derived from green tea leaves. The key player here is a group of antioxidants called catechins, specifically EGCG or epigallocatechin gallate. EGCG has been shown to boost metabolism and increase the number of calories you burn even at rest. Green tea extract also enhances the effects of exercise on fat burning. Studies have shown that people who took green tea extract before exercising burned more fat compared to those who didn't. Green tea extract has also been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your metabolism and support your overall health, green tea extract is worth considering. Next up, we have a supplement that needs no introduction: caffeine. This natural stimulant is found in coffee, tea, and even chocolate. Beyond its ability to jumpstart your morning, caffeine has some impressive weight loss benefits. Caffeine aids in weight loss by increasing your metabolism through thermogenesis, where your body burns calories to produce heat. It's also a powerful appetite suppressant, helping you consume fewer calories overall. If you enjoy hitting the gym, caffeine can enhance your exercise performance by increasing energy levels and improving muscle endurance. However, it's essential to consume caffeine in moderation. Too much caffeine can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and other unwanted side effects. So enjoy your coffee or tea, but be mindful of your intake. Let's talk about fiber, specifically a unique type called glucomannan. Glucomannan is a soluble fiber derived from the konjac plant, and it has an incredible ability to absorb water and expand in your stomach. This makes you feel less hungry, so you're less likely to overeat. Because glucomannan slows down digestion, it helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing energy spikes and crashes. Glucomannan is very low in calories, providing benefits without adding significant calories to your diet. Numerous studies have shown that glucomannan can effectively promote weight loss, especially when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. If you're looking for a natural way to manage your appetite and support your weight loss journey, glucomannan is a fantastic option. Next up, we have a tropical fruit that has gained significant attention in the weight loss world: Garcinia cambogia. This small pumpkin-shaped fruit contains a powerful compound called hydroxycitric acid, or HCA. HCA can block an enzyme called citrate lyase, which plays a crucial role in converting carbohydrates into fat. By inhibiting this enzyme, HCA may help prevent excess carbohydrates from being stored as fat in your body. HCA has also been shown to increase serotonin levels in the brain, helping suppress appetite and reduce cravings. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that Garcinia cambogia may be valuable for weight management when combined with a healthy lifestyle. As always, talk to your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your routine. Finally, let's talk about conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA. This naturally occurring fatty acid is found in small amounts in meat and dairy products. CLA helps reduce body fat while simultaneously increasing lean muscle mass. CLA is believed to influence enzymes involved in fat storage and breakdown. It may help reduce the activity of an enzyme called lipoprotein lipase, which plays a role in storing fat in your cells. While more research is needed, early studies show promising results for CLA's potential in weight management and improving body composition. As always, discuss with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement, including CLA, to your regimen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. The real magic happens when you combine supplements with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. See you next time.